I watch a lot of Chinese videos. Yeah.
I like tofu.
Tofu. Chinese
Fried
food.
with
Mấy cái thư mà hộp trên nồi hộp mà của nó ngon. I used to be 85 kilogram.
his weight.
Ngày nay dân nên là idol của truy hộp á.
Kilogram.
Từ trên cái thư mà hộp ở hộp. Hello.
Hello.
Từ hộp ở hộp này mà hộp trên. And then I just fast every evening.
Do you remember Anita?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Anika is a Chinese girl. Now she is a boxer. She learned.
She fries egg with potato. Oh, not potato, tomato. Yes. But you fry egg with carrot.
Is a vegetarian. Oh, no meat.
Yeah, no meat. It's one
It's
meat.
not little.
Carrot, yes, carrot.
I hope they ăn sạch. Ni hao. Ni hao lão sư. What is the most popular food in China?
We often eat this at home.
Oh,
In China, we cook any vegetables use oil.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. So maybe it's unhealthy, but we often eat more oil.
have you tried Khmer food yet? Chinese, Cambodian food yet?
Have you tasted the Cambodian food yet?
No.
Not yet, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So,
Oh.
do you have any plan tomorrow? You go to Angkor Wat?
Yes.
Okay, your turn.
So how long are you
Stay.
staying here?
Maybe in this house maybe 4 days.
4 days, okay.
Yes.
I'm free on Tuesday because Tuesday is my day off. So maybe on Tuesday I can cook food for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, you can go to temple together.
Oh yes. The temple is free for coming here.
Yeah, free for
Yeah.
Cambodian.
Sometimes they have a Chinese tourist guide.
A lot.
A lot.
of. Yeah, a lot of Chinese come
Your
here.
first time to be here? First time?
Oh, huh?
Yeah.
It is your first time to
Yeah.
come here?
No. Yesterday, but I arrived very late. I live in a young hotel.
Oh, yeah.
From
From
Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam.
I think so. You live from Vietnam first and then come here.
Yes. I travel in Vietnam for 1 month.
Oh, wow.
1 month.
And then when you leave Cambodia, you move to Thailand, right?
Yes. I travel.
Normally, the foreigner take a bus to Thailand.
Yes.
From here to Thailand is cheaper than
So
flights.
you don't work, right?
Hmm?
At the moment you don't work.
Yes, I resigned my job in March.
Oh, okay. You just spend. Have you been to European countries?
Hmm?
Have you been to
Other country?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, European countries.
No, this is the first time I go abroad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Vietnam is the
Ah.
first country.
First time here.
Yes, I travel in China, other province. Yes.
Which part of the city you come from?
Which city?
Yeah, Shanghai or
Not famous. In the Henan province. This province is my hometown.
too big?
Yeah, it is China city. Yes, China has 34 provinces, and I live in this Henan province. Yes, and I work in there.
So what the province called? What's your province called? What it's called? Your province?
The name.
Henan
The
province.
name?
Henan.
Henan.
Yes,
Oh.
Henan province.
Our
Yes,
country used to have 54 provinces.
54.
Yeah,
Kamsia.
yeah, before like around
Oh.
1,000 years ago.
Oh, I know. It's a big
Yeah,
country.
from like
Yeah.
Myanmar to China. That's we
No,
lost.
before 1,000 years
Who that?
ago.
China, China united,
Uh,
and then they became one country. If not, it might be China might be like European countries. They would have been divided. Yeah, when you visit Dayan Temple, right?
Yeah.
You will see the 54 towers, which represent 54 provinces in Cambodia. And Chinese soldiers, officials used to come to visit Angkor Wat like once more than 1,000 years ago. He's a very famous guy who was a historian, right? The one who was good at writing things down. Shikakwat, right?
Yeah.
His name? Shikakwat.
I watched many documentary
Yeah.
about Angkor Wat. Yes, it's very good.
So you just watch, but you haven't been there yet, right? You just watch, but you haven't been inside Angkor Wat yet. Not yet. Not yet there.
You say other city?
I mean, you say you watch Angkor Wat.
Oh yes.
Have you been there yet? No.
Series, the documentary.
Just watch. Just watch.
Watch some document about Angkor Wat.
Yeah, but
Yes, and
But you haven't
and
get inside.
commercial documentary. Yes.
in Chinese or in English?
In Chinese.
Wow.
Chinese. Yes. Like like this. Yes, this documentary. It introduced the Angkor Wat. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Yes.
Do you use TikTok too?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have TikTok? TikTok.
TikTok?
Yeah.
Yes, I have TikTok. But in China, we often use Chinese TikTok. There's
Baidu.
a Chinese
Yeah.
TikTok.
Oh.
You have
Not
you have a
Baidu.
spot too?
I don't use Baidu. I often use TikTok, but
in China, right?
Yes, China TikTok. This is the internet TikTok.
I just know. I thought they.
You quite sure.
I use Kuaishou because I download video from China.
Some teenager use Baidu.
Do you have Facebook?
Yes, I have.
Wow.
When I go abroad, I
But you stay inside?
resign it.
How about you stay inside China? Do you use Facebook?
In China?
Yeah.
No.
Only Hong Kong and
Yes.
Macau.
Yes. Yes.
And Taiwan.
But we can use VPN.
Yeah, you can use it.
Yes, you use VPN and we can use this app. In China, we use WeChat.
Yeah.
WeChat.
Yes.
I also have WeChat. Fun. That's fun.
Almost finished.
Eat more.
No, I should not eat more.
Oh, the rice.
I will become a pig. Wow. Finish. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Mukbang already done.